Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're making a brand new custom, this time using a Barbie doll. We're going to be making a custom of Rena Rouge from Season 2 of Miraculous Ladybug. Rena Rouge is the superhero form of Alya, who is Marionette Ladybug's best friend. Before we start, we have two trivia questions. The first one is, in Season 1, what item does Adrian offer Marionette when leaving school in Origins Part 2? Do you know the answer? Also, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you will know when I post new videos. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is tie the hair into 3 ponytails. Rena Rouge's hair looks like foxtails, so we're going to make 3 in the back. We're also going to trim 2 strands in the front short. Next, we're going to remove the clothing and accessories on the doll. We're going to paint the doll directly because Rena Rouge wears a bodysuit. Now we're going to paint the front of the body from neck to the knee white. Then I'm going to paint the rest of the body orange. We're going to leave the lower arm and calves and feet for now. So the answer to our first trivia question, in Season 1, what item does Adrian offer Marionette in Origins Part 2? And the answer is umbrella. Did you get it right? Our second question is, who does Lila become when akumatized? Now we're going to paint the rest of the body black. We're going to start with the neck, the arms, and calves and feet. Now I'm going to add a bit of details on the front. We're also going to add her special necklace, her Miraculous. Next, we're going to paint her mask. We're going to start by outlining the mask, then paint the bottom white and paint the top orange. Now let's work on the hair. We're going to paint the ends of the hair white. To finish the outfit, we're going to use a large piece of air-dry clay and cut out the tail. Once the tail is dry, we're going to paint the ends white and the rest of it orange. And now the answer to our second question, Who does Lila become when akumatized? She becomes Volpina, which happens to look very much like Rena Rouge. Did you get it right? If you did, say spots on. To make the ears, we're going to use oven-baked clay. We're going to shape 2 ears and attach it to a small rectangular pieces of clay. Then we're going to bake it. So here she is, our Rena Rouge as a doll. Isn't she cute? So here is kind of her full look. She has her bodysuit on, and of course it is orange and white with black gloves and black boots. And over here in the back is part of her outfit, which looks like a fox's tail. Look at that. And here is an up-close look of her face. So her face, we painted her mask on, so she is wearing her orange and white mask. And she's also wearing her ears. These are just being held on by a little piece of rubber band, so it does come off, but she has these little fox ears that is orange and white with the black tip. And we also did her hair. So her hair doesn't look like a fox's tail. I did the best I can to give it kind of that white look, that white tipped look. But this is how it kind of turned out. It's a little bit hard because I used paint. And back here, it is tied into 3 sections, one of the first things that we did. However, because the hair is so curly, it's just not coming out very well. So I think one thing that could be done is maybe to use some gel and actually hold it in place after twisting it. So that might be one way to kind of get it into that separated tails look. So here she is, and of course I did add her Miraculous. It's hiding a little bit because her outfit is pretty much the same color, but she is wearing it. And overall, I really like the way she turned out. So of course here is Ladybug, so now the 2 of them can go and fight evil together. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my Rena Rouge, and if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!